Hi guys, Marty Davis, MarineMax, Lake Ozark, Missouri. Stepping on a 34 GLS by Cruisers Yachts. This is the outboard model. It's got the gray interior, very sporty helm, equipped with joystick, twin 400 Mercury Verados. Very pretty with all the LEDs. Nice cabin. Going up to the bow, you can see the side walk-through. Got a TV. Microwave, little bed down here under the stairs, and a nice bathroom. Again, this is a Cruisers Yachts 34 GLS Outboard. For sale by MarineMax, Lake Ozark, Missouri. If you have any questions, give us a call.